coconut.
Yeah, because we buy it from the store. No,
You
we
buy
got
from
it from the tree. We got it from the tree.
What you got?
We got the coconut from the tree.
Oh.
Because I'm just joking. Oh, another coconut. No.
Alright guys. Dami nakuha naming buko. Ay mga bata tong tuwa. Tapos dito guys, maraming talisay dito guys oh. Tong tuwa pag nasa Pilipinas ka lang eh. Parang sa Pilipinas ka lang eh. Maraming... See? Sa talisay.
At the Titikiwa Hotel. See? Bowling.
Ganda dito guys, grabe oh. Sa Pilipinas ka lang oh, daming lupi. Daming niyog, boko. Ayan ang boko. Polisiya. Ay boko oh.
Coconut from the tree. Ano na mga halaman ano?
Mga halaman dito guys, parang nasa Pilipinas ka lang eh. Kai! What you got there, Kai?
Coconut. We got it from the tree.
Sure mo sis Kai sa...
Tapos na kamote.
Sure mo sis Kai sa coconut. Sure mo cellphone mo ba? Tapos kamote. Tapos yun ang kamote oh, pang gulay.
And coconut is...
Sure mo cellphone mo ba?
Good.
Ay. Hola, senyor. Lalakad-lakad tayo dito guys. Disker! Good mommy, take a picture. So here, listen there. Punta kami nun. Nakitalbos ng kamote guys oh.
Oh, yeah. Sarap yan. What's this?
Sweet potato. Oh, what's out? Come here. Hey guys, punta kami ng beach. We are going to the beach today. For the last 2 days. Namin natin yung beach guys. Ganda dito guys, grabe. Sarap paglakad-lakad dito, napaka
Coconut.
naturistic. Sarap tingnan yung nature dito guys, grabe oh.
Coconut.
Coconut ball. Let's leave the coconut there. We're going to the hotel. Leave that one there now. Alright, ready? Alright, see you in a bit, boys. Alright, let's go, come here.